I'm Brad. I'm 45, have 2 daughters and a loving partner. I work in construction, but I'm in the growth of the business, so I'm not actually a builder. I'm a person who creates opportunities for that company, and that's what I've always done. As a young bloke, I grew up in western New South Wales in a little country town. We used to go shooting, so that may have caused a pretty big impact over a short period of my hearing. Both my grandfathers who have passed away had hearing aids, so I think there's a bit of hereditary in there too, and now my father wears them. So I knew at some point I was going to end up having them, and it just happens to be now at 45.
So Brad is a lovely man. He lives on the Sunshine Coast, which is about 2 hours drive from me actually, and he has a significant hearing loss that was really impeding his ability to do his job. I think becoming an audiologist has really made me think a lot more about the way people interact with each other and communicate with each other and feel better about themselves, which is so important. Technology changing so much in the industry has certainly made people feel more comfortable wearing hearing aids. The size of the hearing aids, they're much smaller now, and the functionality, they work really, really well.
These are so light and so small that my major problem when I first wore them was remembering that I had them on.
It sounds so good. It sounds so clear. The sound quality is terrific, and ReSound do a really good job of allowing clients to hear well in noise. But what is really powerful is the accessories that you can use, like the remote mic in background noise. And also with the app, now clients can control what they're listening to. And I think that is really empowering for clients.
What's really cool is that you can actually set favourites. If I have regular locations like work or a beach or whatever it might be, it could even be in my media room, then it allows me to set an ideal sound level for that room or that location, and it will change it automatically for me, which is pretty remarkable. As well as it's a Bluetooth link to a phone call. So if I received a phone call right now, and nobody else would know it was happening because it would be literally ringing in my ears. The beauty of LiNX 3D is that it permits me to communicate with Sue remotely through the app and ask questions or make adjustments to the devices, even troubleshoot if I'm having issues without needing to book an appointment and drive to Brisbane and see her for something that might not necessarily require that level of effort.
The technology's there to be used to improve clients' outcomes. It's good for clinicians like myself and business owners, and it's great for the client as well. I'd really encourage anyone out there to try it, to have a go.
They will certainly improve your standard of life and living and open the world up, as I mentioned earlier, to the sounds and life around you. And I would encourage people to not be fearful of the process.